Hi everyone, in this video, we will be delving into the world of front-end development. Our channel is dedicated to guiding you on the path to becoming an IT enthusiast, a web developer, or a programmer faster. The content presented here is crafted to assist you in grasping the basics of front-end development. Thank you. There are now 6 of us on the channel. I didn't even expect that. And I also want to thank you for your criticism of my previous video. Front-end development involves using several technologies to create the visual and interactive elements of a website or application. It's about designing the user interface and experience that people interact with. Just like a house needs a strong foundation and well-designed structure, front-end development requires careful planning and attention to detail. The foundation of a house is crucial for its stability and longevity. In front-end development, the foundation is laid with HTML, the structural language that defines the content of a website, like title, image, video, text, button, and so forth. Front-end developers use CSS to style and design the layout of a website. CSS adds colors, typography, and layout to make the website visually appealing. Windows and doors are essential for a house to let in light and provide access. In front-end development, JavaScript is used to add interactivity and functionality to a website. It allows users to interact with the website and enhances the user experience. Therefore, developers use HTML to structure the content of a web page, CSS to style and layout that content, and JavaScript to add interactivity and functionality. Imagine you are building a house. You could start from scratch, designing every single component from the ground up, but that will be incredibly time-consuming and inefficient. Instead, you use a blueprint, a pre-designed plan that provides a structured approach to building your house. Frameworks in front-end development work in a similar way. They are like blueprints for building web applications, offering a set of tools, libraries, and best practices to help you streamline the development process. Let's take a look at 3 popular frameworks used in front-end development. Number 1. React.js, developed and maintained by Facebook, widely used for building complex and dynamic web applications. Imagine a construction crew that specializes in building modular, efficient, and high-performance structures. That's just React.js. It focuses on building user interfaces using a component-based architecture, just like a construction crew that assembles a house using prefabricated modules. Technically, React.js is considered as a library rather than a framework. Number 2. Angular, developed and maintained by Google. Think of Angular as a well-organized construction company with a strict set of rules and procedures. It follows the module-view-controller architectural pattern, providing a comprehensive set of tools and features to help you build large-scale applications. Number 3. Vue.js, developed and maintained by a community of developers. Visualize a construction crew that is flexible, adaptable, and can work with a variety of materials and techniques, such as VJS. It offers a lightweight and flexible approach to building user interfaces, combining the best features of React and Angular, making it a popular choice for smaller and medium-sized projects. Front-end development involves optimizing the website for performance, accessibility, and responsiveness. It ensures that the website is user-friendly and functions smoothly across different devices and browsers. By mastering front-end development skills, you can create websites and applications that not only look great but also provide a seamless and enjoyable user experience. So, whether you are building a house or developing a website, remember the importance of strong foundation, well designed structure, and attention to detail. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.